امریکہ کی 2020 کی مردم شماری کی مہم جاری ہے، لیکن 30 ستمبر اس کی آخری تاریخ ہے۔ مردم شماری کی اہمیت ہر شہری کے لیے کتنی ضروری ہے اور اس میں اپنا اندراج نہ کرنے کے کیا نقصانات ہیں، کمیونٹی کو اس کی اہمیت کی وضاحت کے لیے پاکستانی امریکن یوتھ سوسائٹی اور بروکلن ایمرج نے مل کر سینسس 2020 کے ادارے کے لوگوں کو میٹرو پلس ہیلتھ انشورنس، ACMW اور پاسپو جیسی تنظیموں کے تعاون سے ایک پروگرام منعقد کیا۔ اس پروگرام میں فری کھانا اور آئس کریم تقسیم کی گئی، بچوں میں اسکول سپلائز اور کھلونے بھی تقسیم کیے گئے، اور آخر میں NYPD چیف رانا عدیل صاحب کی کمانڈنگ آفیسر کی پروموشن کے سلسلے میں کیک بھی کاٹا گیا۔ آئیے دیکھتے ہیں پروگرام کی کچھ جھلکیاں۔
City Council District 45th is here to support the cause and support all the organizations that came together in a coalition to make one last push for the communities here in Midwood and Ditmas Park and Flatbush, which are really severely undercounted. So it's my honor and pleasure to introduce Councilwoman Farrah Lewis.
Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you, Kashif, for the introduction. I appreciate it. How's everybody doing? I'm so happy to see us all out today. Despite the weather, we are all together, unified to ensure that we get the count up here in Brooklyn. So give yourselves a round of applause for being out today. I want to thank you, Brooklyn Emerge, PAVE, CASO. Who else do we have? Congresswoman Clark's office. I see her team here, Metro Plus. Minority Woman Baza Ruhi. So I represent the 45th Council District, in which some of Coney Island falls within my district, and it's so important for us to complete the census. I went to several locations today and people were afraid to fill out the census, and they basically told me there's an immigration question on the census, and I said no, there isn't. So people are being lied to. They're being told that there's an immigration question on the census. It's 10 questions, 10 minutes, and it will determine the next 10 years of what we get, what resources come right back here to Coney Island Avenue, come right back here to our district. So if you know anyone who has not completed the census, if you know someone who may need someone to assist them with another language other than English, please let us know. Our office is located on Flatbush. We're at 1434 Flatbush Avenue. Our number is 718-629-2900. And I'm here with Ezra Payne. She is my scheduler and executive assistant for my office. The reason why I brought her up here with me is because she is a young person from this community. Ezra is a recent college graduate, but she is a young person. She is thriving in her community, and she wants to continue to live here. But we won't be able to have Ezra live here if we don't complete the census. So I want to give Ezra a second. I know I put you on the spot. I love it. Ezra is a young person. She has heart, she has drive, she has grit, and she wants to be here in this community. So I'm going to give her a few minutes to speak, because this is who you need to hear from. You don't need to hear from elected officials. You need to hear from the young people in the community about what the needs are. So I'm going to give her a second to say hi to all of you. Ezra Payne.
Hello everyone, as Councilmember Lee said, I am her executive assistant and scheduler, and I do reside in the district. Please make sure that you fill out the census. It's not just for you guys, it's for your families. The census is going to represent what happens in our communities for the next 10 years. So if you can just take 10 minutes out of your time to just fill out the questions. It's all about how many people are in your household, nothing about immigration. That'll be great so that we can get more resources in our community. Thank you.
And one more thing, the census deadline is September. I got all these masks on, trying to protect myself out of my COVID. But the census deadline is September 30th. But remember, election day is November 3rd. So please fill out your absentee ballots if you know you will not make it to the polls. Early voting starts October 24th, so go out to the polls. I always encourage people to go out, wear your mask, wear your gloves, and make it out to the polls. But it's very important for us to go out and vote, because that will determine what the next 4 years looks like in our country. So please please, please go out and vote. And if you need assistance with that as well, please reach out to our office and we'll connect you with the Board of Elections. Thank you, Kashif. Thank you, Brooklyn Emerge. Thank you, Paso, and all Metro Plus and all of the organizers for today. God bless you.
Thank you very much. Thank you so much, Councilwoman, for coming and supporting the cause. Zakria Bhai, don't escape yet. You're going to say a few words as well. The whole idea for putting this together was for all the communities to put their resources together. And I'm so proud to say that Zakria Bhai, Assam, Atmiya Shahnaz, Bazaruhi, and all the community leaders and organizations came together. This is a record number of organizations came together for Census 2020. And my hats off to you, Zakria Bhai, for putting this all together with us. Amazing work, and we need to do this work till the last minute. So please emphasize how important this is. Right.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening to everyone, and I welcome all the guests and all the organizations who have come out and they have brought their resources to get Brooklyn counted. Right now, at this moment, Brooklyn is only 58% the self-response rate, and each and every dollar that will come to our community depends on each and every individual who will be actually counted. There are $750 billion federal budget which will actually go to all these communities. So if we are doing census, if we are being counted, then that money will be coming to this community. If we are missing that count, it means that amount will stay there. So basically, if we want to live better, if you want to have better schools, if you want to have better hospitals, if you want to have a better quality of life, it all depends on if you are counted or not. If you are counted, it means all those resources will be directed to this community. But if you are not counted, then it means we are missing it. One more thing is that, this census is not really about any documented or undocumented people. You know what, if you count, if you are documented or undocumented, there should be no fear involved. In most of these immigrant communities, the number one obstacle which is stopping people from census is the fear. What is the fear? Oh, maybe my landlord would know how many people live in the house. Or maybe, the federal government will use this information against me, or the city, or the state. Believe me, this is all, there's a strict privacy policy behind this data, and no one can use your data against, in any other forum. This will be only and purely used for the census. So that's number one. Number two is that some people think like, what is the big deal if I'm being counted or not? Like, the government knows about me. Unless and until we give them the exact information, how many children are there, how many adults are there, how many women are there, they will not really direct those resources to our communities. So if you want resources for your future, if you want resources for your next 10 years for your own generation, then we need to be counted. Inshallah, we will start right now. I request all the brothers, there will be, inshallah, announcements in different languages. We will be making announcements in Urdu, Punjabi, Pashto, Uzbek, Bengali, and also in Arabic, inshallah. Right now, this will go on. We're going to encourage everyone, inshallah, on the line, to please come. We have, alhamdulillah, the whole setup. We have around 10 people taking the census. So we request everyone, inshallah, to be counted today, inshallah. Thank you very much for coming out. God bless you, inshallah. And if we stay together we can do it, inshallah. Thank you.
City Public Advocate Jamani Williams, to Councilwoman Farah Lewis' office, from the Congresswoman Yvette Clarke's office, from the Brooklyn Borough President Eric Adams. They are all partnered with the community to make sure this is happening. So I want to give a shout out to everyone. And in case I missed anybody, I apologize. But yes, we're going to put some music. We're going to have a census table 2020. We have ice cream and we have a food. So make sure that you guys take advantage of tonight's event. Representative of Ricardo from Congresswoman Yvette Clarke's office, and also Salman here. If you guys both can come up to the stage and please talk about the Census 2020 push from the federal level.
How's everybody doing? My name is Orlando Ross. I'm with Congresswoman Yvette Clarke. This is Salman. Say something.
Hello, everyone.
So we want to wish everyone a great day. We're glad everyone is out here. How many people know that the census is going to end September 30th? We need to make sure that all our communities are counted. If you do not fill out the census, you can lose money in schools, in hospitals, in bridges, in just infrastructure. It is so important. $1.5 billion are on the table nationally to make sure that people get the census dollars that they need. If you don't fill it out, they don't know if you're counted. It is so important. If you have already filled out the census, we want you to challenge at least 5 other people in your church, in your mosque, in your synagogue. Make sure that they fill out the census. It's very important. Again, my name is Orlando Ross. I'm with Congresswoman Yvette Clarke's office.
Also emphasize in different languages that people on the line can understand about Census 2020.
अस्सलामुअलैकुम मेरा नाम सलमान है और मैं कांग्रेस वुमेन इवेट क्लार्क के ऑफिस से आया हूँ उनको रिप्रेजेंट करने। आप सबसे दरख्वास्त है कि आप 2020 सेंसस के लिए रजिस्टर कीजिए क्योंकि ये सारे पैसे हमें आने हैं। अगर हम रजिस्टर करेंगे तो हमें फंडिंग आएगी, अगर हम रजिस्टर नहीं करेंगे तो हमारी कम्युनिटी लेफ्ट आउट हो जाएगी। इमिग्रेशन के स्टेटस पे आपको कोई इफेक्ट नहीं होगा। हमें बस सिर्फ ये पता करना है कि कितने लोग रहते हैं यहाँ, उस हिसाब से आपको फंडिंग मिलेगी। अगर एक भी बंदा मिस होगा तो उसकी वजह से हमें फंडिंग कम मिलेगी। इसलिए जितना ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा हो सकता है हमें अपने आप को काउंट करवाना चाहिए।
Thank you. Is there anybody here from the Census 2020 office? Entity that is funding and actually doing these operations throughout the districts throughout the New York City. So if you want to say a few words.
We just want to remind everyone that the 2020 census is safe, easy, and important. It's safe. None of your information can be shared with anyone. By federal law, it's easy. You can do it online or by phone in English and 12 other languages. We have language guides in 59 languages, plus Braille and large print. So it's easy, it's safe, and it's important. It's really important for the funding that comes to our communities, not just now, but over the next 10 years. So this is a really crucial time. The next coming days are going to determine the funding that comes to our communities 2 years from now, 3 years from now, 4 years from now, 10 years from now. The funding is going to be determined by our account this year. So we want everyone to participate, everyone to know that it's safe, easy, and important. It's important for our communities. It's also important for the representation we have. So it's important for funding and it's important for representation. So the way I make it simple is that you invite 5 people over for dinner. Instead of 5 people showing up, you have 10 people showing up or 20 people showing up. You didn't make enough food for 20 people, you don't have enough space for 20 people, you don't have enough resources for 20 people, and that's the same thing when we don't get everyone counted. When we don't get everyone counted, our schools are underfunded, we don't have enough public transportation, infrastructure spending. All of these are tied to census data. We don't have enough social programs, parks, recreation, everything is directly tied to census data. So we want to make sure that everyone's counted and everyone knows how important it is to be counted in the 2020 census. Thank you.
Complete if we don't invite the women to empower women, to make sure that women talk to women so they can come and feel comfortable when it's time to be Census 2020 to count. So once the picture is taken, can I ask Sister Atia and Baji Ruhibaz to come up on the stage and say a few words on behalf on the reason is the Census 2020, please.
Assalamu alaikum, this is Baza from American Council of Minority Women. So I request you all, please get counted, fill out the form Census 2020, and this is a good thing, this is the first time that the form is available on the net. And you can file on the internet, you can file by phone, or you can fill out the papers. Thank you so much, have a good one.
Thank you so much Kashif and Zikriya Bhai to arrange this great event, and this is very important to census. Please come out and fill your form because it's so important your presence in the United States, because you work here, you pay taxes here, and you contribute in the economy of the America. So you have the rights to get all benefits the government providing you. If you are not counting, you cannot get this benefit, as before the person that is saying, like there's too many budget that's issued according to the presence of the the person who are contribute in the community. So that depends the majority, like what kind of community we have, that all organization can get the funding. So please come and fill out this form. This is very important. So every 10 years the federal government, they arrange the census. So please, head to the government and pay your attention, like how many family members you are, and don't be fear, don't scare about your immigration status. They are not asking you about the immigration status. Just fill out the form and get out for the vote. Also register yourself for the voting because the election is coming. So pay your attention and pay your presence in the United States. Thank you so much.
A youth leader to come up on the stage and talk about the next generation that speaks English, that goes to school here, how important it is to go back to their homes and talk to their parents, talk to their relatives who may not speak English but speak other languages, to communicate the Census 2020. So please, it's my pleasure to welcome Asrar Rashid, who's the president of Pakistani American Youth Society.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. I would just like to thank everyone over here, Passport's team, Pace, Brooklyn Emerge, American Councilwoman, and everyone who came out, Metro Plus, to support the neighborhood. And I would just like to say that it's very important for the youth like us to educate our parents who might not even know what census is. And I know a lot of parents, and I have told a lot of my family members how important Census 2020 is, how important it is for us to get counted. So please, to all the youth that are out there, educate your parents, tell your parents that how important it is, and get them to complete the census as well. Thank you.
I just wanted to let you know that there's going to be an announcement in multiple languages, in Bangla, in Uzbek, Arabic, Pashto. So there's going to be a lot of languages that we're going to keep announcing it, and please take full advantage of today's event and educate people. Thank you so much for coming. At this
سلامونه نیکی هیله زما په ګومر ګړو رونو خیاندو مشرانو کشرانو څنګه چې تاسو ته پته ده چې نن سبا امریکا کې سنسس 2020 شروع دي او زمونږ د کمیونټي د ایمیګرنټ کمیونټي د مسلمانانو کمیونټي خصوصي توګه باندې د پښتنو کمیونټي چې کوم د سنسس فرقون ریټ دی هغه ټول نه زیات کم دی. زه تاسو ټول د خاص کوم چې تاسو ټول سنسس مکمل کړئ او خامخا مکمل کړئ. ضروري خبره ده چې د دې سنسس ایمیګریشن سټیټس سره هیڅ تعلق نشته. د دې مطلب دا دی چې تاسو د ایمیګریشن باره کې هیڅ تپوس نه کیږي. صرف 10 سوال دي، صرف 10 منټ اخلي او تاسو د 10 کالو فیوچر په دې باندې ډیپینډ کوي. ډېره مننه د خبرو اورېدو لپاره. بلوي الله مسپاره. وعلیکم السلام ورحمۃ اللہ.
السلام علیکم. سینسس 2020 بہت امپورٹنٹ ہے اور آپ ایسے ہی سمجھیں کہ اگر آپ سینسس نہیں کریں گے تو آپ پیسے لوز کریں گے، بیکاز اگر اسکول نہیں اچھا ہوگا آپ کو ٹیوٹر ہائر کرنا پڑے گا. اگر آپ کے پاس ریسورسز نہیں ہوں گے آپ کو ریسورس خریدنے پڑیں گے. تو اس لیے آپ سینسس کا یہی سمجھو کہ آپ کو پیسے مل رہے ہیں اور آپ پوری کمیونٹی کے بارے میں سوچو. بیکاز اگر آپ نے ایک بندے کو بھی مس کر دیا ہے تو پھر دوسرے لوگوں، دوسری فیملی، دوسرے جو بچے اسکول میں پڑھ رہے ہیں ان کو بھی ساتھ اس کی کانسیکوینس فیس کرنے پڑتے ہیں. سینسس 2020 بہت ضروری ہے اور امیگریشن اور ان چیزوں کے لیے کوئی فکر نہیں ہے. یہ بالکل پرائیویٹ ہے، گورنمنٹ کچھ نہیں کر سکتی. پلیز سینسس 2020 ایکوریسی سے فل کریں، ہر بندے کے ساتھ مہربانی.
رشید بھائی اگر آپ آ کے تھوڑا سا اس کے اوپر چینل کے حوالے سے اگر آپ بتائیں اس کے اوپر کہ سینسس 2020 جو ہے وہ میسج دینا چاہتے ہیں کمیونٹی کو، پلیز آپ بتا دیجیے.
جی السلام علیکم. جیسے کہ آپ سب جانتے ہیں کاوش ٹی وی سے اعلان کرتا ہوں میں، اور سینسس 2020 کے بارے میں یہ کہنا چاہتا ہوں کہ سینسس کے ذریعے آپ اپنے آپ کو شمار کر رہے ہیں. یہاں پہ سینسس کے فارم جب آپ کو آن لائن یا آپ کو میل آتی ہے تو آپ اس کے ذریعے فل کرتے ہیں تو آپ اپنا اور اپنی فیملی کا شمار یہاں کے سسٹم میں کرتے ہیں. اور اس طرح سے یہاں پہ پتہ چلتا ہے گورنمنٹ کو کہ کتنے ہم لوگ کتنے پاکستانی رہتے ہیں. پھر اس طرح سے ہمارے لیے اسکولوں میں، کالجوں میں، ایجوکیشن اداروں میں اور ہسپتالوں میں اور مختلف جگہوں پہ جہاں پہ پبلک کے لیے فنڈس مختص کیے جاتے ہیں وہ فنڈ مختص ہوتے ہیں اور پھر وہ یوز ہو سکتے ہیں. اگر ہم سینسس کے فارم نہیں بھریں گے تو ہوگا یہ کہ ان لوگوں کو پتہ نہیں چلے گا کہ ہم کتنے نہیں ہیں اور ہم اپنا نقصان کریں گے. تو لہٰذا 30 ستمبر آخری تاریخ ہے. اس سے پہلے آپ آن لائن فارم بھر لیں. آپ کے سامنے کوئی ریپس آتے ہیں, گھر میں ناک کرتے ہیں, تو ان کی سنیں اور ان کے ساتھ بیٹھ کے فارم فل کریں. اور آج جیسے کہ ہر ڈیسک پہ فارم موجود ہیں اور آپ نے ابھی تک اگر فارم نہیں بھرے سینسس کے تو آپ فل آؤٹ کر لیجئے. یہ آج بہت اچھا موقع کاشف حسین صاحب نے, ذکریہ بھائی نے اور ان کے ساتھ مل کے باجی بازا روحی اور عطیہ باجی ان سب لوگوں نے یہ انتظام کیا ہے, تو اس سے فائدہ اٹھائیں. تھینک یو سو مچ.
کیپٹن عدیل رانا بھی یہاں ہیں. کیپٹن عدیل رانا, اگر آپ اسٹیج پر پلیز آ کے ذرا دو الفاظ سینسس 2020 کے حوالے سے کہہ دیں آج.
السلام علیکم. میں یہی کہوں گا کہ ہر ایک بندہ یہاں پہ بے شک آپ لیگل ہو, انلیگل ہو, سٹیزن ہو, گرین کارڈ ہولڈر ہو, جو بھی ہو, آپ پلیز یہ ریکویسٹ ہے کہ آپ جا کے سینسس کے فارم کو فل کریں اور اپنے آپ کو ریپرزینٹ کروائیں, تاکہ یہ ملک میں پتہ لگے کہ ہمارے کتنے مسلمان ہیں, کتنے پاکستانی ہیں یہاں پہ, اور اسی طرح ریسورسز آپ کو ملیں گی. جس طرح یہ اسکول ہمارے علاقے میں, اس طرح اتنے پروگرام آپ کے لیے آئیں گے اسکول میں, تاکہ آپ کو ان کو پتہ ہوگا کتنے یہاں پہ پاکستانی بچے ہیں. اگر یہاں پہ آپ نہیں دکھائیں گے اپنے بچوں کو تو یہ اسکول کی ریسورسز بھی جائیں گی کسی اور نیبرہڈ میں, اور آپ کے نیبرہڈ آپ کے بچوں کو کم ریسورسز ملیں گی. تو پلیز جا کے آج ہی اسی وقت فارم فل کریں اور اپنے آپ کو ریپرزینٹ کریں.
Thank you so much, Captain Adil Rana, for that information. I have somebody very special here from the Uzbek community. His name is Abu Omar. He's here. He's gonna speak in Uzbek to give out the important message of Census 2020 today.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. By your permission, I'm going to speak in Uzbek language. I think some people are still here from Uzbek community. Uzbek tilda gapiraman eshitadiganlar bo'lsa inshaalloh. Mana bugungi tadbirda maqsadimiz sababi shuki, Census 2020-yil 2020 buni maqsadi shundan iboratki, mana shu davlatda, mana shu shaharda necha kishi yashayapti va bitta oilada nechta fuqaro yashayapti, hamma narsani bilishimiz maqsadida Census 2020 narsa tashkil qilinganki, har bitta fuqaro mana shu yerda green kartasi bor, green kartasi yo'q, pasporti bor yoki pasporti yo'q, farqi yo'q, bundan qo'rqish kerak emas. Va o'sha Census 2020 degan qog'ozni cheris onlaynmi yoki o'sha pochtangizga keladimi, buni to'ldirsangiz, xudo xolasa bu davlatda qancha, shu mamlakatda, shu shaharda nechta fuqaro yashayapti, shuni bilishdan asosiy maqsad. Chunki
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम. अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह काशिफ भाई और आसिम भाई ने मुझे इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे मौका दिया है बात करने का. तो आज का जो कॉज है वो है 2020 से मुराद ये है कि मर्दमशुमारी का होना बेहद ज़रूरी है. ये हर कंट्री का एक लॉ भी है और इसके अंदर इंसानी बेनिफिट्स बहुत ज़्यादा हैं. तो मैं ये तमाम जो दोस्त इधर आए हुए हैं उनसे गुजारिश करूँगा, हाँ जी, उन्होंने मैं गुजारिश कराँगा कि वो मतलब जो मर्दमशुमारी जी है बहुत ज़रूरी करान. और इन्हों का चूँकि इस कंट्री के खासकर पाकिस्तानी, इंडियन, बांग्लादेशी लोग जो आए हुए ने आगे उन्होंने अख्तियार की रहायश उन्होंने वास्ते बहुत ज़रूरी है. और ये बेनीफिशरी साइडां ने जिहड़ियां कि काशिफ साहब और एहसन साहब और कम्यूनिटी वाले जिहड़े प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं साड़ी मुस्लिम कम्यूनिटी में और दीगर कम्यूनिटीज़ में. सो एक बहुत ही बेहतरीन और अहम काविश है इन्हों की, और मैं इन्हों का मशहूर भी और इन्होंने एप्रीशिएट भी करता कि इन्होंने इस मुल्क के पाकिस्तानी कम्यूनिटी और दीगर कम्यूनिटीज़ के नाल ऐसे रास्ते खोले बनाए कि जिन्हों के फैसिलिटीज़ ने उन्होंने फ़ायदे बहुत ज़्यादा ने. और मैं तमाम तर दोस्तों को गुजारिश कराँगा कि 2020 प्रोग्राम जो है शामिल होकर अपनी मर्दमशुमारी जी ज़रूरी है और ज़रूरी करवाओ, और बेहद ज़रूरी है थोड़े वास्ते, थोड़े बच्चों वास्ते भी. सो अल्लाह हाफिज़. अस्सलाम वालेकुम.
20 in the Bangla language, if we have somebody very special. I'm sorry, what's your name?
Sophia. So Sophia is gonna speak in Bangladeshi language. Thank you.
হ্যালো, আসসালামু আলাইকুম বাঙালি ভাই বোনেরা যারা এখানে আছেন, আপনারা যারা এখনো সেন্সাস করার নাই, এটা আমাদের আদমশুমারি আমাদের করা দরকার আমাদের কমিউনিটির জন্য। আপনারা আদমশুমারি করেন, আর মাত্র 6 দিন আছে। এটা করলে আপনার কমিউনিটি স্যাংশন হবে, মোর মানি, সব ধরনের সুবিধা, স্কুল, হসপিটাল, এগুলোর জন্য। আপনাদের আর বেশি সময় নাই, আপনারা তাড়াতাড়ি আপনাদের সেন্সাস করে নেন। ধন্যবাদ।
That we all fill out the census. We're talking about 10 years of funding. We're talking about 10 years of representation. This event right here is so great because we can get people to come out and learn about the census and fill it out right at the spot and get resources for the community, have organizations come together. So thank you so much, Kashif, for helping to lead this effort. It's a great, amazing effort. And please, everyone, my2020census.gov. My2020census.gov. We have about a week left. Let's go and get Brooklyn counted. Thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum.
Thank you so much. Appreciate it. That's how we do it. That's how we do it.